In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Binance AI Select for crypto analysis in 2025. This feature is a powerful combination of real-time data, smart signals, and even bot-powered trades, making it an essential tool for any crypto enthusiast or trader. By the end of this guide, you'll be well prepared to dive into the world of AI-driven crypto insights with confidence. Let's start with understanding what Binance AI Select actually is. Binance has expanded its tools by incorporating AI-powered crypto analysis directly into its platform. This is achieved through the AI report, built right into their mobile and web interface, as well as a crypto analysis bot available on Telegram. These components together form the AI Select experience, which provides fast insights, deep context, and smart signals, all conveniently located within the platform. To access the AI report, first ensure that your Binance app is updated to version 3.1.0 or later. Keeping your app updated is crucial, as this allows you not only to access the latest features, but also to ensure security and performance improvements. Once your app is up to date, navigate to the Market section. Here, you can tap on any token you're interested in, such as BTC or ETH, to open its chart. Once you're viewing the chart, you'll notice an AI icon in the top corner. Tap this icon to access the AI report. The AI report is updated hourly, providing you with real-time insights. This report is incredibly comprehensive, divided into several sections that you'll find invaluable. The first section is Price and Momentum, where you can analyze key indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and details about support and resistance levels. These indicators will help you gauge whether a token might experience price movements or maintain stability. Moving on, you'll find a section focused on risk. This part of the report highlights large wallet moves, volatility, and concentration of ownership, giving you a sense of the risk level associated with a given token. Understanding these elements helps you make informed decisions about your trading strategy and risk management. The Community Sentiment section is particularly interesting as it aggregates social trends and news, providing insights into how the broader market perceives a particular asset. Lastly, the Context section offers on-chain activity and project updates, ensuring you have the most current background information on a token's performance and potential developments. This global view lets you evaluate community interest and the potential long-term viability of a project. Don't forget, you can tap any of the data labels or lines to inspect their sources for more accuracy. You can also long press to copy or share this information, making it easy to collaborate and discuss your findings with others. Use the AI report to quickly assess whether a token is a smart buy, a red flag to avoid, or something to hold off for now. By integrating these powerful AI tools into your trading workflow, you'll enhance your ability to make data-driven decisions, keeping you ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving crypto market. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Binance AI Select features with ease.